Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make flashcards in Notion. First, open Notion and create a new database. Name it something like My Flashcards. Next, add 3 key properties: a text property for your question, another text property for the answer, and a date property called Next Review. This foundational setup will allow you to organize your study material efficiently and begin your learning journey. Now, let's focus on creating the actual flashcard content. For each entry in your database, type your question into the question property and your answer into the answer property. Consider using toggle blocks within the answer field to hide and reveal information, making your review more active. Aim for one core concept per flashcard to maximize learning effectiveness and recall. Spaced repetition is key for long-term retention. To set this up, create a filtered view of your database showing only cards where the next review date is today or before today. After reviewing a card, update its next review date to a future day, perhaps 3 days, 7 days, or even 2 weeks later, depending on your recall confidence. This ensures you revisit material at optimal intervals. To streamline your process, create a database template for new flashcards, pre-filling properties, or adding toggle blocks. You can also link related Notion pages or external resources directly within your flashcards for deeper context. Notion offers immense flexibility. Experiment with different views, like a gallery view for visual learners, to truly customize your study experience and make it uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.